Angus's passion to promote education and nurture local talent led to the company contributing a substantial sum to the University of Canterbury's Engineering School, as well as a pledge for $1 million to the university's Wireless Research Centre in 2005. The biggest reflection of Angus Tait's generosity came when he decided to put his shares in Tait Electronics into a trust, following the example of power tools company founder Robert Bosch. The move meant that manufacturing jobs would stay in Canterbury for perpetuity at the expense of an accumulation of Sir Angus's personal wealth. Indeed, when asked about the many offers made by large competitors for his company, he replied, "What the hell would I want with $50 million, compared with the satisfaction of putting together something that is worthwhile? There is no comparison as far as I'm concerned." Angus's selfless business practices created mutual loyalty with staff. He provided staff with health and superannuation benefits long before the latter was made compulsory. Many of the original 12 Tait Electronics staff still worked for the company over 30 years on. Over the years, New Zealand and the radio communications industry as a whole had honoured Angus for his dedication and hard work. Awarded with an honorary doctorate by the University of Canterbury, Angus was quick to deflect the credit to the supporting Tait team. Bestowed with a knighthood in 1999, a modest Sir Angus quickly let it be known that plain Angus is fine by me. The Radio Club of America also awarded him for his substantial contributions to the advancement of land mobile radio in 2006. Of course, he was modest about his achievements. While being congratulated during the company's 35th birthday celebrations, Sir Angus quipped, "My role has been very minuscule. I've done a lot of standing around. I've become very good at it, and I assure you, I intend to do a lot more of it." Sadly, Sir Angus Macmillan Tait, Knight Companion to the New Zealand Order of Merit, keen gardener, photographer and aviator, passed away in August 2007. But his company continues to prosper thanks to the trust structure he set up before he died to help ensure that Tait Electronics remains its own company in perpetuity.
The company has a great future for the very simple reason that we have maintained over the years a consistent policy of reinvestment in the company.
His parting advice to the next generations of electronics and radio pioneers was to recognise the industry as a sphere of activity that has no bounds. Don't be concerned that you'll be bored and be doing the same thing every day. It's moving so quickly with new technologies that are emerging. I hesitate to predict where it will go. Always an amateur radio enthusiast, call sign ZL3NL, Angus kept up to date with the latest technologies. And right up until the end at 88 years of age, Sir Angus drove into work in his characteristic red Alfa Romeo. But rather than use a parking space, he pretty much parked right by the front door. After all, it was his name on the office sign.